Masibulele huyu mama owandenzelayo isibele ngokusifela kukaYesu emamleseni engenzangano
Shwele sisiphiwe. Boni melums.
Sorry, sir. I'm late.
You are not just late. You are very late. Take a seat. Ndiphiwe Sam.
Pregnancy. Excuse me, I'm blessed.
Today we will be learning about the history of South Africa. Ms. Chinyama, would you please read the following extract for us on page 69?
Yes, sir.
But, sir, why is Africa always reading and doing everything here in class?
Quiet!
During the apartheid era, veterans of the country and all those who were in opposition or against rolling.
It's not rolling. Gosh. It's ruling, sweetheart. And I'm sure you four people should know that.
Be quiet!
Shut up and go to hello.
The problem is, I'm already there, sweet.
Quiet! And you, Timise, to the principal's office now.
It's not Tinise, Sunday, Ngabinde. It's tennis. Morning, Miss Dave.
Do not, Mrs. Dave, my child. Leave my office and get a grip of yourself. Go put on a little respect and come back here.
Sorry, Mr. Varner.
That's better. Now sit. I hear that you're the cause of the chaotic riot in your class, miss. And you referred to yourself as a xenophobic when your teacher confronted you. Is this true?
Ma'am, I believe that each and every South African citizen has a right to freedom of expression, and by that statement, I was expressing my feelings.
Freedom of expression! Freedom of expression! At the expense of the whole class. At the expense of the other learners. My child, you obviously know nothing about freedom. As a matter of fact, do you know what freedom is?
Yeah.
Keep quiet, my child. Foreigners are foreigners by name, and you of all people should know better. You have seen and heard what I hear, and now that's how you treat them. Do you ever think of how they might feel? Now, leave this room. I do not ever want to talk about this again.
Chini ke chom. Tibizwa e-ofisini. Uthi ndigezele lo mntana bani? Adobe. Chini. Hayi suka.
Yimalini ke ngokumamzona umntu?
Hawu uyasosusa 7 rand uthi plus 8 rand ye drink iriri. Uyamazi umamzo kaloku uthengisa fruit imiriri.
Mamzo. Uyaziva?
Ndiyasiva nqo.
Uduru mamzo. Uduru man sis chomi no man ha. Hayi ayiqondi 8 rand.
Nawe Ivan, niyandishiya ngoku. Niyahamba. Niya kwala kwerekwere. Niyothenga. Okakutya unentsila. Hambani. Iyaphinda ibuye ibonane.
Hayi wethu mamzo you. Ha uyadura lo mama. Ji.
Come. I have everything here. All at a good price. Buy a fake cake at only 5 rand. Get a drink at 6 rand. I even have fruits and chips. It's only a discount.
Okay, give us 2 of each.
Okay. Hey. Oh, God bless you, my friend. God bless you. Hey. Thank you. God bless you. Oh. Thank you, my child. Oh. Have a nice day. Hey.
Tithi kaloku friend nabo bendibiza besithi ndigezele lo mntana.
Hawu adobe ndikwe mna nguye
Usukaphi?
Apupu, wepu.
I'm not hungry, Mama. What is wrong with this child?
Hello?
Say, good day, say.
Hello, ma'am.
Say, my daughter has not been talking or eating. Do you have any idea of what happened to her at school?
Ma'am, she quite had a difficult time with other children during class. They attacked her, but not physically, ma'am.
Chiniki, my child, my poor flower. I don't know what these people want from us. Thank you, say.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Save me, Mama. Save me, Mama. Save me, Mama.
My child, I heard of what happened to you at school. I'm sorry that you have gone through all that.
I hate that place. And I'm no longer going back there again.
No, my child. You're going back there tomorrow because you never lose a fight. It's either you win or you learn a lesson. Today was your lesson. Tomorrow you will be a winner. Come, my child.
I didn't mean to.
You have
I'm so
absolutely no
sorry.
right.
I'm so sorry. I was so ugly to you and I'm so sorry, Toby. I'm so sorry. I didn't know that you were. I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.